Let me show you how to meal prep tacos and codfish bowls simply and easily. First, we're going to start with the things that take the longest, which are our beets and our squash. We're going to oil and salt these, get these in the oven at 400 degrees. The beets are going to take an hour and a half, and our butternut squash is going to take 40 minutes. We're going to get into our spice blend for our fish and marinate that, get that going. The meat for our tacos, the meat for our bowls, done, marinated, set that aside. We're gonna get into the vegetables. First, we're gonna make our cabbage slaw. We're gonna quarter those and then cut those quarters in half. We use a mandolin here. If you don't feel safe using a mandolin, you can always use a knife, but I'm gonna go ahead and link the mandolin below. Then we're going to top this with a simple vinaigrette. You can use a house-made or store-bought, a little bit of salt, and we're gonna slice this with the onions. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep it going with the meal prep videos, cooking classes here, and training on how to be a better cook overall. We're gonna get into our salsa here. We're gonna shuck these, use our knife to make sure we get every last bit, move into our salsa. We're gonna show off our knife skills here. Here we go, dicing these onions down. We're going to be careful here at the end though with those fingers. Perfect. Then we're gonna get into our tomatoes and do a similar procedure. If you need help with your knife skills and growing that kitchen confidence, go ahead and click the link in the bio and book a consultation with me. We're gonna chop up the cilantro next and get cooking on this corn salsa. So we're gonna add a little oil to our pan and our onions. We're gonna saute this with some garlic. Now this is a dish that you can serve hot or cold. It's really up to you. We're gonna put our corn in. What I love about corn as a starch is it really takes like 15 minutes to cook. It's super, super quick and adds a lot of bulk and fiber to our stomach. So next we're coming in with those tomatoes and cilantro. These are ingredients that you would find in any normal salsa. You probably have all of these ingredients in your house already. You can use canned corn or frozen corn. Lastly, we're gonna add a little bit of Cotija cheese. So delicious, has really become one of my favorites, but you can use Parmesan, all done. Here's our beets coming out of the oven, and then we're gonna cook our fish. Hot pot with a little bit of avocado oil. We're gonna sear these. Really, really easy. We don't need a lot of protein here. We're only using 10 ounces. Oh, our beets are done. Nice. Now we're gonna do our plating. Wasn't that easy? Our bowls here, we're gonna put our cabbage slaw on the bottom with our beets, our butternut squash, and then our fish. This meal is nutrient packed. It is plant-based. I mean, it's just such an easy dish. We only made 3 because it is fish. I wouldn't recommend meal prepping fish more than 3 days. Here we're assembling our tacos. If you want to check out how to make these tacos and assemble these to perfection, go ahead and check out the other taco video that I made. Best fish tacos ever, y'all. So we're putting these together. And so we made 3 lunches and 3 dinners. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have a gift for you. Go ahead and click the link in the bio below for your free holistic toolkit and cookbook.